Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt with C Programming video tutorial. In this tutorial, we learn about the loops available in C. Sometimes we need to execute the part of a program many times. For this purpose, we use loops. Three types of loops are available in C and they are while loop, for loop and do while loop. Here we learn about the while loops in details. Let's see the syntax of the while loop. First, initialize the loop counter. Then write the keyword while, and then inside the parentheses write an expression or condition. Then within curly braces write the statement, and finally increment or decrement the loop counter. If this expression or condition is true, then the body of the while loop will be executed, and if this expression or condition is false, then the statement that comes immediately after the while loop will be executed. Now we see how while loop is used in program. First, create an integer type variable int counter and assign a value to this variable, suppose 1. Here we write a simple program which print the number from 1 to 10. Next we write the while loop. First write the keyword while and within parentheses write the condition or expression, that is counter less equal to 10. Here I want to print the number from 1 to 10. That's why I assign counter equal to 1 and counter less equal to 10. If this condition is true, then the body of the while loop will be executed. So now write the body of the while loop. Inside the body of the while loop, we print the value of the counter. So write here printf %d/n counter. See here, we write the condition counter less equal to 10, means 1 less equal to 10. This condition is always true. So this loop print the value infinite times. This is a never ending process. This is called infinite loop. We have to do something to break out of this loop. To terminate the loop or break out from the loop, we increment the counter. So write here counter plus plus. It increment the counter by 1. Here I assign counter equal to 1 and check the condition counter less equal to 10, means 1 less equal to 10. So the condition is true, and then execute the body of the while loop. When it execute the body of the while loop, the value of counter will be incremented and it becomes 2. Next time it becomes 3, and this process is continue. And when the value of the counter will be 11, then the condition is false and it break out from the loop. So compile it and run it. See here, it print from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Now we see if the condition is false, then what happen? If this condition is false, then it execute the statement that comes immediately after the while loop. So write here 11, and now it check the condition counter less equal to 10. No, this condition is false. So it goes to here and write here something. If this condition is false, then execute this statement. Now check it, compile it and run it. See here, while loop do not execute. That's all. Hope you understand. Next tutorial I discuss for loop. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel.